All right, today I'm going to take this off, which I believe I just got to unscrew these and then this slides. You can see there's a little rubber thing there. You can see it all. It was supposed to be, non-corrosive, but, China. So anyway, we're going to do that. That's our job today. We're going to replace that. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, so the first thing we got to do is get these off. And we're going to turn these just like this. And my honey's going to, apparently she's going to take these things off over here. So these right here, they close in on this and lock it in. So that's how that works. These just come off easily. As you can see, she's getting them off.
I just don't understand because I know this was something that was supposed to not rust.
Well,
And every part of it rusted. This says rust proof. I don't remember this one saying it, so we'll see.
So we'll find out. Okay, so we got the things loose. And so I should just be able to pull this right off of there like that. Ta-da!
I'll take it and throw it all.
Ta-da! You got it?
Ugh. Watch him.
Such a pain in the butt. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing and thinking you're going to get a different result. So she bought the same thing because it says that it's non-corrosive, but I don't think it is. I think it's going to be bad. Let's take a look and see what's in here. We got a pole, one pole. Put that over here. It's the exact same thing. It's the exact same type of deal. Two poles, a little bit different. And
Like the same stuff, doesn't it?
honey, you're still in there.
Oh.
You're in the video. And I think I got the two ends here. There we go. All right, so let's take a look at what the name of this is. It's Better Homes and Gardens Curved Shower Rod. No rust. It's got a guarantee, lifetime guarantee. Should last forever. And it's 50 to 72 inches, so it should fit that space. Honey, here you go. All right, it does come with directions. We'll throw those over there because we don't need any directions. You're making a lot of noise over there.
It's the same exact one. Certainly does look like it.
All right, so it comes with a bunch of parts. Two sides. And it looks like it's the exact same thing. So here we go.
Interesting.
So here is your plate. And this basically just pushes with pressure against the side here. And we lock it in on this. And then this goes over it like that. And that's basically it. And there's a little screw that goes in top. So, but you know what? I mean, we could drill holes into the thing, but I don't know if we really need to or want to, because then we're going to put holes in the tile. So I think we'll go with the pressure system and see how that works. So this is how it's going to go on there, like that. I guess it goes like that. It pops on. Whoops, I think I just clipped it. I don't know if I should have done that or not. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is going to be the upside. This will be the upside. I mean, I don't see how it really matters, but, and then top and top. And then we've got to put this together. And then it's going to slide in the one side, slide in the other. And then we're going to use pressure, and then we're going to tighten these babies down, just like they were on the other one. All right, so this end here is going to fit in like this. You see? Just like that. So you got a B side, right? You just kind of plop it in there, bam. Now it's on. That's it. That's all that holds that. All I did was smush it on there, right? And now what I can do is I can take my B, because this is B, right? And this is up. And yeah, so this is going to go like that. And then this, we're just going to slide it down like this, all the way. See, I just slid it down on there, just like that. And then I'm just going to go, watch. Now that's ready to go. So we got our B side on. Now it's going to go this way, right? Against the wall. And then this is going to slide inside of this other pole. So let's set that there. And so now we have this pole here, right? And so you got to get the bend in it. You see the bend? So here's the bend on this one. So this is going to slide down like this, just like that. And then when we pick it up, it's going to be like this. You see that? So I can slide it all the way. It doesn't matter for right now. We just got to get it on there. So basically what I've done is I've slid it all the way down. And it really doesn't matter for now. We just got to get it on there. And then we're going to put the other one on this end. All right? And then once we've done that, we're going to stick it into this area here, and then we're going to apply pressure, and then we're going to probably screw our little screws in. So here's our little screws over here. You see them? Not a big deal, right? So let's go ahead and put this side on, all right? We're going to put it right on here. Both sides are basically work the same. So you just got to make sure when you put it on that you've got the upside here. This is the top. And then the bow is out this way because it's going to go up like this, right? It's going to slide up like this. So you want to make sure you got the right, got it on there right. So if you look at this one, this is the way this one's set up, right? So that's the top. And it tells you right there, there's the top. So you want to put it that way. And then the bend is this way. All right? And that's it. And now all we got to do is put our other side on. So let's go ahead and set that down there. And it doesn't matter if this slides for right now because what we're going to do is we're going to smush this in there. And you got to make sure that you put the top up. All right, so let's set it there for a second. All right, so before I do that, I got to put this on, right? Check it out. It's got to go like that. Okay. Make sure that you got the top up. Let me see. So the top's going to be this way. So I'm going to set that like that, right? Then I'm going to put this way, just like that. Just got to get it in the fold. All right, here we go. Ready? Remember, you got to put this on. Then you're going to pull this up like this, right? And all I'm going to do is snap it. There we go. Now I'm ready to go. Now I got everything on there. I got one on this side. I got one on that side. And then I just got to stretch it out. And I got to figure out how much I got to do that. So I'm going to go up here like this. Pull this one in. Smush it like that. And then I've got to get pressure on it like this. And hold it. And then screw these in. I'm going to hold this where it's at. It just needs to loosen a little bit. There we go. So now it's pushed out. I'm going to pull it just a bit. Now when I tighten it, it kind of pulls it down a little bit. I don't know why it does that. I think it's because of the direction of the screws. So we got to hold it. See, it's pulling it, which is interesting. So you got to pop it up higher. How does it do that? Now let's try it. See, look at it. It's pulling it. I think that's good. Let's try it. Let's try it again. Oh, here we go. So you loosen it here, and then the final step is to twist this. So I've got to get it just, I screwed up. So this right here, the final step is I twist this to tighten it. So I'm gonna just get it so it fits up there. And then when we get it right where we want it, let's loosen this. Then we twist it. Did not know that. All right, so first let's try to get it like even up there. And then just set it in there. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. So let's go up. And then we're just gonna kind of get it so it's right about where we want it, right about there. Okay. And then we can tighten these. So I think that's going to be about it right there. So now I'm going to tighten these down. And then once I put it up there, I'm going to twist it. And I think we'll be good. So let's go ahead and tighten these. All right, now let's set her up there and see if we can twist it in. So it goes here. It goes here. Now once we get it where we want it, we twist this. Like that. And then we can get a little bit more screw on this. So this one I got to get back a little bit. Let's loosen it. I'm going to get that closer. And then I turn it like this to tighten it. All right, let's just look at it and see if we got it. To tighten it, you twist this way, like that, once you've got it set in there. So I think I'm pretty good. I think that will work. And now I can make these a little tighter, these two here. So that's how it works. So I'm just going to get in here and put a couple more turns on this. When I do, it kind of pulls it back a little bit. But that's good. Set it down. And then make another couple twists here. And what that's doing is it's expanding and pushing this against it. So that's that. Done. All right, we got her on there. Looks good. I think that's going to work. She's probably going to want me to push it back a little bit because I'm kind of over this edge here. But that's what we want it to bow out. This one here, I'm a little bit farther back. So I could move that a little bit back. I just have to untwist it this way. And then I can pop it back a little bit. Like that. Just a little bit more. Get it back just a little bit more. That's a little bit better. All right, I have to get the final arbiter of this. All right, so with this twister, you can adjust it. You just got to get it kind of close, then you tighten these down a little bit, and then your final tightening is there. And that's basically it. Pretty easy.
On it. It has to go an inch because it's on the ground an inch. So
all right,
yeah.
so let's pull this here.
I'm gonna get more pictures. Oh.
So you just want it up an inch. So I'm just kind of holding it there. I'm just going to slide over here and push this one up. I'm going all the way to the ceiling. All right, so now all the way to the ceiling, we've adjusted it, and I'm tightening it because I'm very strong. That baby's never coming out of there. That thing's tight. All right, let's take a look at it. All right, not too bad. I think it looks good. So that's how you adjust and tighten this thing after you already put it up. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff like this. Peace out.